Now I'm holding the Cozilife cable management sleeves. Okay, you could see the instructions as well as the features on the sides of the box. Okay, it's a small box, but it has 6 sleeves. So now let's take a look. First of all, here is a handwritten letter, okay, from the brand owner. Okay, and then you could see that the 6 sleeves, they're cleverly packed like this. Okay, okay, they're rolled. Okay, so that the zipper head is placed in the center of the roll, so it is well protected during transportation. Okay, and it has quality adhesive tape. Okay, so take it off. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, well, as you can see that the sleeve is made of quality neoprene, which is really flexible and durable. Okay, and it is also really easy to use. Okay, you could just put the tangled cords inside. Okay, and then you could zip it. Okay, all right, like this. Okay, it's really convenient. Okay, and also you could get in or pour some little holes here in case for cable access. Okay, and also if you have like too many cords, okay, you could use 2 or more sleeves. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, and okay, okay, like this. Okay. Sorry, like this. Okay, here. Oh my god. Okay, and then also here. And you can see that you've doubled the capacity of the sleeves. Okay, so it's really easy to use.